What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us, and I hope you are enjoying your Valentine's and always love the people around you, and especially not to all those who care about you, but all those people around you. They do matters the most. And today I'm going to review recently I watched To All the Boys Always and Forever, and it's like a final trilogy of To All the Boys. And in this movie, before we talk about further, I just wanted to see if there are some lessons that we really need to take with us. It's all about cross-cultural experience, and especially uh, instead of making our assumptions or whatever we wanted to think, if we will not bring it up to the people, definitely that will create negative impact of us on others brain. That happens with Lara Jean when she hides something from Peter, and that instead of creating a bridge between them by communicating, it creates a wall. So let's talk about it. So in what happens that Lara uh, went to her mother's native country, visit with her parents and her sister Kath, and there for the very first time Kath also meet with the new boy, and it is good that they are exploring new cultures and get to know each other. And then once she comes back, all her focus is on, since she's in senior high, she wanted to go to the university, so she make up all the plans with Peter that they have to be together at Stanford. And then they all are applying, and but before that there is a prom party also, so she has to prepare for that also. Whether she get ready or not, you will watch in the movie, but we most about talking about what happens there. So now there is so much pressure on her regarding this decision that she just wanted to, and especially you can see that she will keep scrolling on the social media how other people are reacting if they are being accepted, but unfortunately Lara was not accepted. And another thing is, the more you hide it, the more it will create a problems for you. So she didn't want to make him upset. She didn't tell her, but what happens in the end is that suddenly she will come up, and he was shocked. So the good thing that we really need to take is that it's good to be straightforward. People don't like it at the beginning, but at least you make your point clear that this is what is happening with us, with her, or with us, because no matter whatever the plans are, they are planning together. And if there is a more mutual understanding, that definitely Peter will understand. But the problem is that she is always just calculating in our brain that this is good and this is not. So what happens now, she goes to the New York. And the another thing I tell you, that never ever get a means more passionate about materialistic things. If someone is living somewhere else, definitely that's their part of the life, not your part of the life. Definitely your will be totally different. So what happens, she goes to the New York, and she's more fascinated with the beauty of New York and sights and sound and everything. So she brings up all these things now that, and now she's being accepted in UC Berkeley, I guess. And now from, what is that, what should I say, it's south or up south, from her parents' house to the northern area or mid northern area, I think, New York. Definitely she's there now. So she is just, after that you will see that she is just trying to, like, becoming little bit reclusive, so like isolating her feelings and not coming up. So it gives Peter a sign that maybe she is fed up with me, and now both are uh, having less communication. And then suddenly it feels like things are getting in a wrong direction. But there is always time for the positive things to happen, and there is always time that negative will come up, even though you wanted it or not. So no matter, her mother was also being supportive, and that you should really bring it up. If the later you will, then it will be more problem. But The good thing is they are not pushing the youngsters, and the good thing that we really need to understand is whatever happens in every situation, you have to eh, become firm in your relationships and be strong in your decisions. And running away from the reality is not the solution, but it's creating more problems for you. I hope you are having your great Valentine's. So have a great weekend and a good weekdays ahead. So have a great time. Bye bye. Take care of yourselves. Happy Valentine's.